Imagine being caught in a relentless snowstorm, the relentless flurry blurring your vision and making every moment on the road a perilous gamble. This was the exact predicament that sparked an ingenious idea in the mind of Mary Anderson in 1903. As she watched drivers struggle to keep their windshields clear, the wheels of innovation began to turn. In a flash of inspiration, Anderson envisioned a swinging arm with a rubber blade, manually operated from inside the car, that could sweep away the snow and rain. Despite skepticism and initial resistance from the automobile industry, her patent paved the way for the indispensable windshield wipers we rely on today. This remarkable story of observation and ingenuity, often overshadowed by more famous inventions, underscores how necessity and a keen eye can drive groundbreaking solutions in our everyday lives.